Good morning, it's Saturday, and you know what that means. Health and wellness. Keep your eyes open, a ghost fact could appear at any time. Which of the following is not a fat-soluble vitamin? Correct, vitamin C. What is the primary role of vitamin K in the human body? Correct, aiding in blood clotting. What is the primary purpose of foam rolling as a recovery method? That's right, reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility. Which of the following is a common symptom of narcolepsy? Boom. Correct. Excessive daytime sleepiness. Tetracycline, a common antibiotic from the late 20th century, can cause permanent tooth discoloration if taken during which period? Boom. Correct. Pregnancy and early childhood. If you're hiking in a remote area and run out of potable water, which of the following sources is generally considered the safest alternative, though still requiring purification if possible? Boom. Correct. Melted snow or rainwater. During the peak of the Hydro Homies online hydration movement, circa 2020, what was a common rallying cry or slogan associated with the group? Correct. Hydrate or dehydrate. What is the general recommendation for the amount of moderate intensity aerobic exercise adults should aim for per week? Nailed it, 50 minutes. What is the name of the muscular contractions that move food through the digestive tract? Nailed it, peristalsis. What is the primary benefit of practicing mindful eating? That's right, improved digestion and satiety. Think you spotted a ghost fact? Tell us which one. Tomorrow, art and architecture.